Okay, this is the Tuesday GreatStockPicks.com highlights from our live chat room. It's going to be short because I was only there for about the first hour, maybe a little bit more today. Had to take my son to a specialist, so it was unavoidable, and we'll show you what we came up with in the first hour. Pretty good stuff. KBH. These are 5-minute candles. All of this was yesterday, okay, and then this is today's opening candle right here, and a nice early sell-off. If you remember yesterday's wrap-up video or highlight video, we showed you the daily on this. Daily looks pretty good. So we did call KBH. I'll give you an arrow here. Said if it broke above these two little candles here, called it a buy there, and let me show you what happened. There we go. A buy there, and the worst case stop was right down here below the low of the day that didn't get hit. And the numbers are KBH 1190, and finally got going, but the stop was only 1185, so a nickel risk. And from 1190, hopefully a lot of our members did well today. I didn't get back till after the close, but all the way to 1232. It's not a huge move, but percentage-wise, it's also not bad. And again, remember, nickel risk that never got hit, and right after 5 minutes after the entry, oh, that's supposed to be a line. I do this once a video, I think. 5 minutes after the entry, the original stop held all day. So it's just not how much, are you going to make profits, but where you're going to pay yourself, if you will. HGSI was another one. Selling off pretty good here. Let it do this little bounce and didn't call it until right here, and I literally called this right before I left with the stop right there, so I did not get to play with this one, but a really nice trigger and stop there. I'll give you the numbers. The trigger to buy HGSI 28.35, which triggered right there. Worst case stop 28.25, so a dime risk there, and I'll zoom out. And from 28.35, it almost made it to 29 on a dime risk. And another example, this one bounced around for a little while, but the original stop, sorry, that's not a very straight line. The original stop held all day. We had one other one to show you from this morning, CMCSA. Again, didn't exactly tear it up, but it was nice nonetheless. And I'll zoom to the right here to show you the setup. Said if it broke this candle's high, I would like it as a buy with a worst case stop below this candle's low. So on CMCSA, Comcast, 1788 was the trigger to buy it. Worst case stop 1783. So another nickel risk. And again, wasn't huge, but from 1788 over the next 30 minutes or so to 1810, a 22-cent move on a nickel risk. And again, it's just paying yourself along the way. And another nice one that I missed most of. I just got a little bit of this move because I had to leave this morning. So there's a few highlights from the first hour. We made a few calls. Worked pretty nicely. And I'm not sure what happened with the members the rest of the day because I wasn't there. But we'll be back in chat tomorrow. And hopefully a few more highlights tomorrow night from tomorrow's trading session. So have a great night, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.